Welcome back to my channel. It's Ava Shoshana, and in today's video I have a few reed diffusers that I recently got from Lazy Royal, so if you're interested, stick around. As we can see, the packaging is very cute and simple. Here's the instructions and more info about the company. First up, we have Soho Vibes, which comes in this very pretty mint green color. We have notes of amber, cocoa, vanilla, cedar, spice, musk, and sandalwood. Upon smelling this scent, I know exactly where to put it, which would be in my bathroom. Next up, we have Lost in the Louvre, which is in this pretty ruby color. Notes of sour cherry, bitter almond, liquor, plum, Turkish rose, jasmine sandalwood, tonka bean, vanilla, Peru balsam, benzoin, cinnamon, sandalwood, cedar, cloves, vetiver, and patchouli. This scent is perfect for the kitchen. This is just an amazing scent. It smells like Tom Ford Lost Cherry, if you know that scent. Very beautiful. Next up, we have Sea Island Cotton in this cute white label with notes of grapefruit, ginger, rhubarb, osmanthus, lang, clary sage, cistus, seawood, cypriol, and musk. This scent smells like a very high-end beach boutique, if that makes sense. I have this placed on my desk right now, and I love it. Next up, we have a bird's egg in another white label with notes of blackcurrant, green notes, petitgrain, Bulgarian rose, coriander, freesia, lily of the valley. This scent smells exactly like Be from Diptyque, if you know that scent, which is a very beautiful scent, and I have this placed in my living room. I'm very happy with my purchases, and I love every scent they come in, and if I were to rank them, honestly I would put Bird's Egg at number 1 and Lost in the Louvre second, and a toss up between 3 and 4 with the rest. It doesn't matter, but I love every scent. Last up, we have Born in Eden, which was my first purchase from this company, which made me want to go buy the other reed diffusers because of how amazing the projection, the sillage is just crazy. It's so powerful, and the notes, red apple, peony, rose, jasmine, carnation, suede, you can't go wrong. This is just one of the best scents that this company has, and I think it's an original scent as well. So if I were to recommend a reed diffuser to buy first, get the Born in Eden. Now I had my Born in Eden diffuser for about 3 months, and now I'm at halfway, and I'm just really amazed with this company and the dedication they put in their products and how well they perform. And I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed with the scent. So here they are, all 5 in total. And next I will show you the reeds that come with each diffuser. They come with the case of about 10 reeds. Thank you all for joining me in this video, and if you're interested, you can head over to the Lazy Royal website. They're currently offering 20% off site-wide, so go ahead and get yourself a diffuser or any other products that they have. Thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.